guys? Back again with me, your favorite host Kiki, and I'm gonna share a little bit with you today. It's been like 2 or 3 months on this coronavirus situation, and I've been eating a lot of homemade food. I'm sure you all too, because we cannot go out to buy food at restaurant or cafes. And recently, I've been thinking that I'm so bored with this same 5 or 7 dishes over and over again every week. I'm sure you all have been bored too by your dishes, but today I'm going to share with you a simple and easy recipe for you to make at home. Stay tuned.
Jumping on the bed, one pair of sandbags is dead. Mother got a doctor and doctor said, no more jumping on the bed. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed, one pair of sandbags is dead. Mother got a doctor and doctor said, no more jumping on the bed. One little monkey jumping on the bed, he fell off sandbags is dead. Mother got a doctor and the doctor said, no more jumping on the bed.
Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a pan-seared dory fish with a salsa sauce. What we're gonna need is a quarter of onion, a lemon, chilies. This is called cabai rawit. You can use 4 to 10 according to your taste. You want it hot, you can use 10. You don't want it hot, you can use only 4. And this is a big chili. Actually, this chili tastes a lot like bell pepper, so if you have bell pepper, I suggest you use it, but I don't have any, so I use this big chili. And of course, our dory fish. This is a dory fillet. You can buy it in any supermarket near your house. First, we're gonna cut the fish into like this, because I'm making this for 2 people, 2 portions. Just like that. And we're gonna season the fish with salt and pepper. Alright, so we got our fish ready. We're gonna let it sit there for while we prepare our sauce. So don't use the same side of the cutting board you just used for the fish, because it will contaminate your vegetables or chilies. First, what we're gonna do is just chop the chilies thinly like this. I'm gonna use about 5 or 6 chilies today. Do you like spicy food? Bagio is my cameraman right here.
Oh yes.
Look at my knife skill, man. And the onion, I think I'm gonna use just half of this. Take the skin off. So to cut this onion, we wanna dice it, so we cut horizontally like this, not all the way through. And we cut another horizontal like this. We cut like this, and start chopping. Before you cut this chili, there's one thing you gotta do. I'm gonna grill it on the stove just like this, so it let out the smokiness of this chili. Just put it right there. No need to worry. In case you're afraid of fire, you should ask your mother to do this. Or you could call whoa! You could call a firefighter in case something like that happens. So we want it to be like this. We want it to be bad and ugly. I almost forgot one important ingredient. And that is fresh tomatoes. Let's go back to the cutting board. Now that we have roasted the chili, all we gotta do is cut this chili into a ring shape. As for the tomato, you want to cut it into quarters and then into strips, just like this. And when you've done that, just take them up and cut them into a little cube-shaped tomatoes. Now we're getting into the final step of our salsa. Just dump it into a bowl. But I do suggest you use a bigger bowl than I'm using here. As you can see, I'm spilling it all over the place. Our salsa is almost ready, and we would want to give it a little touch of lemon juice because we want to have some acidity in our salsa, and that will complement our fish as well, but not too much because we will give the fish itself some lemon juice later when we're cooking it. And give it a touch of salt and pepper, and then top it off with a little bit of olive oil. The longer this salsa sits, the better it will taste. After we prepare that salsa we made, it's time to get cooking. We are gonna use medium-high heat and put a little bit of olive oil in there. You also need to prepare a tablespoon of butter and the lemon to finish off the fish later on. Now the pan has heated up nicely, let's put our fish in. You gotta lay the fish away from you so the oil wouldn't splatter to your face. Just like that. And let it sit there about 1 or 2 minutes each side or until golden brown. As you can see, the fish is almost golden brown. It's time to put in our butter. Scoop your melted butter over your fish so it gets all the buttery goodness. Then top it off with a squeeze of lemon juice. You can see the butter is brown. It's okay because it has become brown butter. It will have a more nutty, sort of caramelized flavor in it. It will taste good. And now, our dory fillet is ready to plate. First, take the butter that we cooked the fish in and put it onto your rice. As I said, I made this for 2 people, for me and the cameraman Baguio. Say hi to Baguio. And we serve the fish right on top. Top it off with some more butter. And finally, we put our salsa. Ooh, yummy. Ooh, la la. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Pan-seared dory with fresh salsa ala Chef Kiki. Let's try this dish. Have a mouthful of the fish. Be sure to have the onion, the tomatoes, and the chilies in the spoon. Take some rice.